Woke up and then this is it. This is how my house looks like. You would think we are running a paid charge business. You're welcome to our channel. It's a Sunday morning, no? It's a Sunday morning, but you just took the light. Hey. She that already increased on our light bill.
30 minutes light. Now you know what they want to give us now. That is so.
And I don't see her now.
30.
I'll be going to my auntie's place today. That's why I said, okay, I want to develop my new area of interest, which is hair making. Only for her to say, okay, it's a festive period and she might need my help and assistance in her house while she's making clothes. So she wants me to come over and assist her, and I'll be going there. Okay, when we get there, we'll see what we are talking about. Okay, we'll get there, we'll see what we are talking about. But let me just get myself ready. Okay, please don't go anywhere. So my phone went low. Hello guys. So I wasn't able to make video of how it went. But anyway, so this is my mom went and she just came back from her house. We are going to be doing an unboxing this afternoon. So my mom went out and she just came back, and when she came with some beautiful things that my auntie's husband gave to her, understand, for some of the children in the house, not our house directly, because we don't have kids here. The youngest of us all in the house is 12 years old. So these are for my cousins that my auntie is we are supposed to give to them. So she brought them and they are very beautiful things, and when I saw them I remembered how it used to be when we were younger. Next month now is December, so we are already preparing for the Christmas and all that. So we are going to be doing the unboxing. Everything is inside this bag right now, so let me show you each and every one of them that is inside there. Okay, so we'll check this one last. We'll check this one last, but let me show you the rest of it. See, this one is a shirt. Okay, is a shirt. Then I hope you can see them very well now. See, this one is a short. See, yeah, very beautiful. See this one. Then see this one. Okay, this one too. Then see, this one is a trouser. This one is a trouser. Okay, oh, I love this one. This one is chinos. See, the chinos. Let me even show you. Look at it. This one is chinos. I actually like this chinos trouser and this shorts. This short too is something that I like very well. I wish it was my size, honestly. That's why I don't get bomb short. So this short too. Then the last of it. I hope this video is not too white though, because I feel like I'm white. But this is it. Ta-da! Bang! See it. See, this one is a ball gown. This one is a ball gown. Very beautiful. This is a ball gown. So this is everything that it is. Christmas is coming next month. So I just said I should show you people. I should show you people. It just reminded me of when we were much younger and all that. So that is it. It's all right. So thank you all for the support. Thank you for the likes. Please keep supporting our channel. Whenever we see that our video is being viewed, it's a source of encouragement and all that. So please keep supporting our channel. Okay, all right, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.